My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the misleading pop-ups which are presented as fake browser update alerts. Currently, these fake alerts come from the site bbaxx.xyz. bbaxx.xyz. This is a deceptive website that tries to infect your Google Chrome browser and to force you into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. Because of such extensions installed, your default search engine and some other browser settings may be changed. So you might notice that, for instance, the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab got changed because of these unwanted extensions installed through these fake Chrome update alerts. bbaxx.xyz is therefore a malicious website you should not trust. Chrome does not use any third-party websites for promoting its updates, and there is no need to install anything like Flash SD App or something similar to that. If any unwanted extensions were installed into Google Chrome, you should get rid of them. By the way, you can do it manually pretty easily. Go to the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions here, simply disable and delete them. Even though simply removing the unwanted extensions doesn't fix your browser or your computer completely, there still might be some hidden traces of adware or malware. So in this case, I recommend checking your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. By the way, you may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and start scanning your device with its help to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats from your system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.